My name is Stacey Brook, and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the Common Applications prompt number 2. Prompt number 2 reads, "The lessons we take from obstacles we encounter can be fundamental to later success. Recount a time when you faced a challenge, setback, or failure. How did it affect you, and what did you learn from the experience?" So we at CEA have always believed that essays about obstacles or failure are really more successful when they're focused on success. The way that you're going to want to approach this prompt is outlining the obstacle, the setback, the failure briefly, but for the most part talking about your determination, your resilience, your humility. Those are the kinds of qualities you're going to want to shine through in an essay responding to prompt number 2. The obstacles you can choose can vary widely. The prompt itself kind of alludes to this when it tells you you can address an obstacle, setback, or failure. The way that you define those 3 terms can vary greatly depending on your experiences and what you're choosing to explore. But let's dig in a little bit and see what kinds of scenarios you might address. So a challenge, that can be anything from something academic to something situational, like did a tough family situation challenge you to rise to the occasion and become more of an adult at an early age? Setback. Did a series of setbacks on your goal to becoming an Instagram influencer actually inspire you to become a professional photographer? Failure. Maybe you set an extremely ambitious goal for fundraising for a charity and weren't actually able to meet it. What did you learn from that experience? Did you learn anything about organization and about goal setting for the future? Maybe you learned that it isn't even important to achieve every single thing you set out to achieve as long as you make some progress along the way. Again, the way that you approach these subjects that you're talking about can vary widely. I think the most important thing is that ultimately you come out of the story with a sense that you exited the experience in a place of strength. The stories and circumstances you explore for this prompt can be as serious as being tormented by bullies, as ingrained as the financial issues that maybe plague your family or have plagued your family in the past. It could even be something as seemingly pedestrian as making a mistake and losing a tip on a table when you're waitressing. While the possibilities for this prompt may seem endless, there are a couple of things you should watch out for. Really try not to focus on a challenge or a failure that can be interpreted as trite, your inability to get a good grade, for example. Also, try not to cover anything that would illustrate a lapse in good judgment. Hopefully you're not actually doing anything like that, but it's certainly not fodder for a proper essay topic. All of that said, if you can isolate some problem or issue in your life, can properly contextualize it, and can highlight how you resolved it, prompt number 2 can be a really rewarding one and a successful one for you to explore. Some questions you might want to consider while you're tackling this prompt: how do you deal with hardship? Are you the kind of person who can rebound from any situation and find a silver lining? Are you the kind of person who can take a potentially bad or troubling experience and turn it on its head into something good? Overall, just try to keep these stories as positive as possible. Remember, this essay is not just about life's greatest challenges, but it's about how you overcome these obstacles and illustrate some of your greatest triumphs as well. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We are going to be uploading many more videos for the 2018-19 application season, so check back for regular editions. Also, if you want more information about College Essay Advisors one-on-one advising services, feel free to check us out, collegeessayadvisors.com. We also have an online course where you can get essay help right now. Again, check out collegeessayadvisors.com. Follow us on social media, but don't forget, come back here to find more videos for tips and tricks to help you with your admissions essays.